things quickly. So we got the quick connects here. We're from Arista Spray. So these, you get a part here that screws to the gun, which is the base. I always recommend doing this bit up with a spanner, making sure it's tight. Same with any extension bar really. If you're using an extension bar, then you really want to tighten that with a spanner. Even though it says hand tight, they do have a tendency to drip from the base of the gun there. The quick connects, you can put that bit on the end of your gun and then you can screw your parts to it like so. And then if you wanted to extend that, again, you would click that onto there. They are absolutely brilliant. Obviously, I've been spraying for a very long time and these are a game changer for me because you're not changing between the extension bars, and also it keeps this thread of the gun clean because you can leave this on at all times. Generally, I like to have a little extension on most of the time, so I'm always spraying with maybe a 6-inch, which is like that. You just find it a bit easier on your body when you're doing the skirting boards and going around doing all the walls and ceilings. I just find that little 6-inch gives you that just a little bit more and it's less bending, so there's less stress on your body. So what we're going to do now is that's tightened up with a spanner. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add the guard. So the guard, again with these quick links, will screw on to this bit. If you didn't have this bit on, then you just screw straight onto the gun. But I do like the quick connects here. So the quick connect bit has got the thread on it here, so that bit goes on the gun first. But again, if you didn't have that, it just go on the gun. Then your guard screws on to that.